Garbage pressure washer project. Yep, I picked this one up right at the curb. And first started it. It does start, it does run, but there was just water just pouring out of the pump head. So I tried to JB Weld it, did not work. And really, it's the only thing that's wrong with this whole thing. So what did I do? For $50, yay, Amazon. What do we get here? Whoops. We got a brand new one, brand new pump head. Now, let's just see. I think this one's a little bit different, but I think it's close enough. There we go. Matches pretty close. It's a little bit, the tubes are a little bit longer. But let's put this on and see how it works out. All right, super easy. It's 3 bolts to remove the old one over here. Put the new pump head back on. Everything else looked like it was in perfect condition. So there we go. I'm just gonna put this on and see what happens. See if we get lucky. We either blew a little bit of money, or actually I can return it to Amazon, which is the best part. Love returns. So there we go. Everything's still in there. Let's get that on. Okay, it's a little tight. Oh, there we go. Got it. It's on.
Now, both back in. 1, 2, 3. Get this to catch. Just get it started. Going down. Number 2. Right, comfortable.
Pull tightens. Tighten it up. Yeah, there we go. It's right to spec now. Right to torque spec. Yeah, feels good. Okay, let's test it out. I'm just going to put the screen back in here. This goes over here. All right, what's next? Now hook up the wand.
She's coming.
Okay, that is on. Now we're gonna get the hose and hook it up. Got wand hooked up over here. Now we're gonna hook up the hose. Just put this little screen in first. Attach the garden hose. Okay. All right, pause it. All right, we're just gonna top it up with some gas. She's thirsty. All right, gas is in. Whoops. Yep, that's good. All right, we've got the water hooked up, and it's hooked up to the pressure washer, and it's on. No leaks. Good sign.
Yay.
Let's try and start it. See what happens. Got gas in it. Choke is on. this now. We're now going to use the pressure washer, our garbage pressure washer, free pressure washer from the garbage, to go and clean the free boat project. See you soon.